Subtraction of multi-digit whole numbers. Subtract number 19 from 431. Place value of digits in number 431 are as shown. Place value of digits in number 19 are as shown. (431 minus 19). 431 is 3-digit number. 19 is 2-digit number. (431 is greater than 19). Hence, order of subtraction is correct. Arrange numbers as shown. First let's subtract 1's digit. As per order of subtraction it is 1 minus 9. 1 is smaller than 9. Hence 9 cannot be subtracted from 1. Here the concept of borrowing comes into play. One at 1's digit has to borrow 1 from adjacent 10's digit 3. 3 at 10's digit will become 2 after lending 1. 1 at 1's digit will become 11 after borrowing 1. Now let's subtract 1's digit after regrouping. New order of subtraction at 1's digit is 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 equals to 2. Now let's subtract 10's digit. Order of subtraction at 10's digit is 2 minus 1. Two minus 1 equals to 2. Now let's subtract 100's digit. Order of subtraction at 100's digit is 4 minus 0, as there is no digit at 100's place of the number 19. Let's consider 0 at 100's place of number 19. 4 minus 0 equals to 4. Thus 431 minus 19 equals to 412.